Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from YUNZII. This is the YUNZII M2 wireless gaming mouse. It's got a pulling rate of up to 8000 Hz. It's got a 3-mode connection. That means you can connect it wired, Bluetooth or wireless with a dongle. It's super lightweight. And this is the box of it. This is how it looks. As you can see, we can see the mouse on the front right here. It has a exposed carbon fiber finish. It's like a design. I don't think it's actually carbon fiber. And yeah, this is how the box looks like. It's a pretty cool box. I am going to go ahead now and open it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. Maybe we'll have a next door setup so you guys can get an idea on how it will look next to your setup, and we go from there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As you can see, we have a handful of stuff. So let's go ahead and go through the small stuff first, and we'll work our way up. So right here we have some charging tips and 8000 Hz using tips. Basically, they say you have to have 16 gigabytes of higher RAM, refresh rate of 240 Hz or higher, graphics card GTX 1080 or higher. In case of AMD, it's RX 5700 or higher. And in terms of CPU, i7 9700K minimum, and Ryzen 7 3700X or higher. So that's what they recommend in order for you to be able to use the 8000 Hz at its max potential. Obviously here we have the same thing but in Mandarin. We also have right here an instruction manual with pictures. It will tell you everything you need to know about the mouse, how you can basically connect it, how to use it, how to program keys, because you can program some keys, how to connect it in wire mode, wireless and Bluetooth, and so on. They also have some warranty information somewhere, because this mouse comes with warranty. And yeah, I suggest you give this a read because it will help you understand what this mouse can do and how to use it at its full potential. They have also included some grips pre-cut already. So if you want to put grips on your mouse, on your left and right click and on the sides, you can, already included. We have a braided USB type A to USB type C cable. This can be used to either charge the mouse or use it in wired mode. So if you want to use the mouse in wire mode, you can use it using the included cable. If not, you can provide your own cable, but I always would suggest to use the manufacturer's cable because it's made to spec for the mouse. They have included also USB type A to USB type C adapter right here, YUNZII branded. Pretty nice. It feels like it's made out of metal. And we have the mouse itself right here. As you can see, it's got a carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber design. Actually feels really good and really grippy. Same design on the side buttons as well. I don't know if the camera can catch it fully. On the bottom we have the skates. We have to remove the film from the skates. Have skates around the sensor as well. We have a switch right here. We can switch between wireless, Bluetooth and wired in the middle, and the DPI switch on the bottom. If you want to access the 2.4 GHz receiver, which we are going to use, it's right here at the bottom. Let me see if I can do this with one hand because the mouse is kind of slippery. This is magnetic, by the way, so it will always go back. Pretty handy. And all you have to do is just pull out the receiver right here. That's it. Here's where you find it. When you're done, just put this back. It will go back to its spot straight away, and that's it. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead now and set it up. We're gonna have a next door setup, and maybe you guys can get a tease on how the clicks sound like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, the mouse is fully set up, was super simple to connect. This is how it looks like next to your setup. It looks really clean, especially that I have some part of my setup white. I'm trying to do a white and black theme, except the keyboard, which is custom. But the mouse looks really good. Again, to connect, it was super simple. All you had to do was flick it to wireless mode right here at the top, and then after that connect the receiver to any USB type A port on your device. I'm using a dock right now, and basically that's it. It just works straight away. It also feels super responsive, as you can see, and this is just the default. I never done anything to it. It's just the default settings, comes out of the box, ready to go, ready to use, which is super handy in my opinion. Let's go ahead and get as close as we can with the camera mic to the mouse so you guys can hear how the clicks sound. They sound absolutely amazing. It sounds really good. Overall, it's a great mouse. I really love the design. It's got amazing specs. So 2026 top specs, really 30,000 DPI, 8,000 pulling rate, lightweight. You can't go wrong with it. And the design is absolutely amazing, as I said. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. Also, don't hesitate to check out YUNZII's website. They have a lot of cool gaming stuff, from keyboards, mouse pads, mouses, everything you want. So the website should be in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.